you were wondering how to change the time in your Volkswagen commercial vehicle, here is a short how-to guide for you, using the touchscreen in a Volkswagen Transporter. Once your screen is turned on, you need to select the menu option in the bottom left. You then need to select the Settings app. In here, second from the top, you'll see the option for time and date. Here you can choose the time that you want to be displayed by simply scrolling through the hours and the minutes. You can also choose whether you want to read the time in a 12-hour format or a 24-hour format. When the clocks spring forward at the end of March to signal British summertime, you can simply select this option and the time will jump forward 1 hour. You can also change the date and the date format. And that's it. If you do require any help or have any issues or questions, please do get in touch and a member of the team from one of our Volkswagen van centres will be happy to help.